Well, hey there, lovers and friends. Today I have another first impressions video for you. As you can see, my hair has already been shampooed, conditioned, and I have a leave-in conditioner already in it. That will be linked in the description box down below if you're interested. So let's just go ahead and get right into this video. The leave-in conditioner that I have already applied is the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner from Treluxe. Yes, this is my first time trying anything from Treluxe. I've heard really great things about this leave-in conditioner. Key ingredients are coconut milk, slippery elm extract, and broccoli seed oil. I assume this is great for detangling and moisturizing. It also has a combination of avocado and broccoli seed oils. We know I love avocado, and that helps to seal the cuticle and help maintain healthy curls and coils. So we'll see how I feel about that a little later. Next up, I am going to go in with the ReFlex Curl Styling Serum. These are all botanical products. Treluxe was running a sale like a week ago, and I think everything was 25% off. And so that's when I scooped up these 3 items. I will also have these linked in the description box too. It says the ReFlex Curl Styling Serum was created to bring flexible hold to your curly and wavy styles without sacrificing the bounce. I love movement. Our lightweight liquid styler provides just enough slip, that's what I'm looking for, to glide through every twist and turn of your tresses. Yes, it's a slippery slope, while adding definition and increasing curl elasticity for those bounce back curls you've been waiting to unleash. Okay, I'm here for it. Key ingredients are aloe leaf juice, coconut water, and grapeseed extract. Something about this 360 Confidence collection. No parabens, silicone, sulfates, or artificial colors. Separate hair into 5 sections. We're gonna go with 4. Distribute product through each section, working from ends to roots. I can do that. Style as desired. Allow hair to air dry. All right, easy peasy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wash and go, because I also picked up the High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. You know, I have just been in a wash and go mood. I'm gonna do a braid out next, I swear. Oh, this leave-in conditioner made my hair feel so soft. Look at the elasticity on Fred. All right. So this doesn't say that my hair needs to be soaking wet. Does it say I can apply liberally, or it don't say? So we're just gonna go in with, that's like a quarter size amount. Can't see it. Gonna emulsify this down. Oh, it turns into like, almost looks like a lotion. It's kind of floral scented. And in case you've never heard of Treluxe, the Untie the Knot definitely smells like, I don't want to say apple cinnamon because I don't really smell the apple, but it definitely has like a cinnamon scent to it. You know, I'm not using tools, so this leave-in conditioner is doing a great job of allowing me to detangle my hair. And then also this serum, I don't really care for how it's like leaving this white on my hair. It's kind of like, maybe I shouldn't have put these 2 together. It's kind of like just sitting on my hair. But it's defining my coils, most definitely. If I could have this much drop when my hair dried, I would be like the happiest girl in the world. It would be the happiest curl in the world. Ain't that right, Fred? So I'm applying it into roots, just like it suggested. Also, like, if you are no stranger to my channel, you know this is different for me. Like, I'm doing a wash and go outside of the shower. Who am I? New month, new Faren. Okay, so that is what we are looking like just with the serum. Okay, so this High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel, long lasting curl definition, luminous shine, and moisture balance. Okay, key ingredients are avocado, honey, and sage extract. I love anything with honey. It does keep my hair like hydrated. Color Safe Curls Complex, avocado, sage, and honey extract, all natural. Cleanse and rinse hair to remove product buildup. I mean, whatever. Okay, but I use a leave-in conditioner if more moisture is needed, always. Saturate. I wonder if I use this like without a leave-in conditioner, what would it look like? We'll try that another day. Saturate hair until soaking wet. We'll definitely do that. Separate hair into 4 to 5 sections. Apply a dime to nickel size amount. You must be out your mind. The consistency is like a jelly. I don't know if you can really see that. It's different. It's not quite, I guess it's a custard type situation. So what we're gonna do is, I have my spray bottle and it has a little warm water and a little beetroot juice in it, and we are just going to soak Fred down. Oh, I should have split this too. Let's go ahead and split this. Okay, hair is saturated, and then we're gonna go in with that much, which really isn't too much, and apply from ends. Oh, it's definitely gliding on with my hair being like soaking wet. Oh my goodness, this would be amazing to use in the shower. Y'all, good googly moogly, that thing is juicy. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. I kind of want to go back in and put a little more at the root though. Just a little bit. Just a dab of 𝚫𝚎𝚑𝚎. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Yes. Like, I just want my hair to dry at this length. This would be amazing. Try not to be heavy-handed. So, that much. Yo, this application though. And I don't know if it's because of the serum underneath it or what. But it is like smoothing onto my hair nonetheless. Go in with a little bit more. I do want to make sure my hair is covered. I don't want no soft spots. Now, one instruction that kind of gave me pause is that I'm supposed to let this air dry. So that's what I'm going to do. I started this video very early in the morning for you guys before I started work. So we're gonna let this air dry all day, and then I'll come back and show you like the final results. But let me apply this all over and I'll show you like the wet hair. All right, I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is my wet set, I would say. I'm a little concerned that it's like white in some areas and I'm a little sticky, but you know, everything about this wash and go is unorthodox for me. So the fact that I'm about to sit here all day and let this drip dry is whew. And the fact that I didn't go in with as much gel as I wanted to, like, this gel is going to last me a very, very long time, even if I use it like all the time. I barely put a dent in it. So yeah, this is what we are looking like. I guess I will see you guys for the final reveal. I'll be back now, you hear? Okay, so it's been about 8 hours. My hair isn't completely dry. Like, it's definitely still damp in the middle here, but all of this is dry. I'll give you a 360. I don't even know what the back looks like. But yeah, so moment of transparency. I actually filmed this video yesterday as well, but the footage was janky. Like, I don't know, it just didn't transfer well when I went to go edit it. So I did my due diligence and I reused the products, redid the whole entire wash day, and y'all, it came out worse today. Yesterday I of course used my diffuser because I was trying to get it done, but I had time today, and no, following the instructions in air drying did not work. I should have just used my diffuser. It would have saved me a lot of time and saved this. Like, look at this. Like, that's embarrassing. Yeah, that's a no-go for your girl. My hair is flaking. I kind of expected that because I have seen other people use this gel and they had the same issue. I just kind of thought that using the serum underneath may have helped, but honestly I don't think the serum and the leave-in conditioner worked well together. So I think I'll have to play around with it and see. Like, I think I'm gonna try like a mousse instead of a leave-in underneath it, and hopefully I can get this gel to actually work. So let me just go through the products and tell you how I felt about them, first impressions or whatnot. I definitely did like the Untie the Knot. Today I didn't use a deep conditioner and this still gave me the moisture that I needed. Like, my hair feels really, really good today, even though I didn't deep condition, because I deep conditioned the first time that I used it. I like this curl styling serum. I don't really like the scent. It was a little more floral, definitely not in the florals. A little more fragranted. I don't think I mentioned that earlier, but I do want to like try this maybe on blown out hair and do like a flexi rod or a perm rod set. I definitely want to play around with styles like that in the next few months. So yeah, this definitely isn't strong enough. I won't get the type of hold that I like on my coils to just use as a styler on its own, but I think it's doable. I think this might grow on me. I'm in this mood where I'm really liking serums and I don't really have an issue with that. I have plenty to use, so I'll definitely be using that. And I wanted to love this gel, y'all. Like, I really, really wanted to. I really liked like how my coils look. Like, my hair looks fine if you take away the white. If you take away the product buildup, like, my hair looks great. Like, I would love this wash and go. It's definitely got the type of hold that I like. There's like no frizz. I see each and every coil, you know what I mean? This is my hair. That is how I felt about these products. If you've used Treluxe and suggest a different way for me to use them that might work out for me, please comment down below and let me know. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that red button, because you made it this far in the video, you must like me. That's all that I'm saying. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next one.